Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a group on Instagram. This is perfect for chatting with multiple friends or collaborating in one place. So let's get started. The first step is to open the message sections, and to do that, just go to your Instagram and click on it. Click on the app. As you can see, I'm on my home home screen right here. Then tap the messenger icon in the top right corner of your Instagram homepage to open your direct messages. Let's see here. As I'm using a tablet, it's on the left side, but you should click on the arrow right here. The next step is to start a new group chat, and to do that, tap the pencil icon or new message button. See here, it's on the top right corner. And select multiple people from your contact list or type their username into the search bar. I'm just gonna click on this one right here, and I added this one. After that, you can name your group, which is optional. Now once you've selected the participants, you can assign a group name by tapping the name in the name field at the top of the chat window. And after you create a group chat, just send your first message to start the conversation. I'm gonna send a random message and click send, and that's it. You can customize the group chat theme by tapping on the group name and selecting themes. You see here the themes, and you can use the polls sticker in the chat to make group decisions more interactive. And you can also mute notification if you want to manage interruptions. And that's it. That's how you make a group on Instagram. It's very easy and very simple. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.